Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to make a quick one about this hard drive right here. This is by far one of the best SSD drive that you can get off, and as you can see the regular price is $179 and currently they have a 67% discount and you can get this for $59. As you can see from the review, it has 4.8 out of 5 and the rating is over 15,000. This one will work with the PS5. And look at the speed here. You can see it's 3,300 megabyte per second. This is awesome. And look at this. For gamers out there, this is the one that you need. Or sometimes if you're doing like video editing, this is the one that you will need as well too. And for this price right here, 1 terabyte for $59. And this does come with a heatsink as well, guys. So this is a bargain by far, okay? And by far, this is the lowest in 30 days. So if you're in the market for a hard drive, SSD drive, this NVMe drive, this is it. I don't think it will get lower, but who knows? It might, but if you want it, if you need it now, this is the time. I'll list all the information, the link, the descriptions under the description section, okay? Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.